beauties? It's your girl Alethea, and I am coming back with another video. And in this video I am sharing with you the new Nubian Earth collection from Juvia's place. So not only am I sharing the palette, I'm sharing the lipsticks and the lip glosses because I bought the entire collection. Yes girl, don't judge me, judge your shoes. But anyway, I created this I don't know what to call it. It's a cut crease. What type of cut crease do we want to say? Neutral? Nude? Is that really nude? Nubian Earth cut crease. Give me my props. Give me my props, because I don't think either one of y'all came up with that idea. If you're interested in seeing me create this look as well as seeing swatches of the lipsticks and the lip glosses, then please continue to watch. Alright you guys, so we're back for another video. Yes, we're back. My hair is wet. I got somewhere to go. It's not going to be dry, but I'm going to have to take it down because, yeah. So we have our baccalaureate ceremony today, and I go to the events at school when we have the events at school. And so today I am also introducing our guest speaker. So anyway, as you guys can see, I already have my brows completed, and I do my brows off camera to save time. And what I used on my brows, or what I use on my brows, I always use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, and I use this, which I can't get it in stores anymore. I have like 2 or 3 backups, but it's the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. This was the best thing they could have put out there for brows, in my honest opinion, and then they got rid of it. So what I'm doing here is I have my concealer here. Typically, I like to put my concealer here before I go and do my eyes, because that way I won't have to be trying to fit my big foundation brush there. So I don't put foundation there, I just put concealer or paint pot. And what I'm using to prime my lids, the Laying Low paint pot from MAC. So for this look today, we're using the Nubian Earth palette from Juvia's place. It's my newest baby. Well, I have a lot of new babies when it comes to palettes. And this is what she looks like. And watch, this thing falls out. There it is. Here is what she looks like on the inside. No mirror. There's usually not a mirror in Juvia's place palettes. Alright, so let's get started. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take this, and there are actually no names on these colors, right? So we're going to take this color right here, this brush right here, and I'm just going to start with this like in my crease over here. Well, a little bit higher than my crease. And I'm just going to bring it all the way up to under my brow bone. Y'all will see a lot of looks kind of like this coming up, because one of the things I'm trying to do, and you guys know I am a new certified, well I'm not quite yet done with the certification because I've had so much going on with my side business, but I should be through with that certification class in about at least a month. Y'all, my hands are so ashy. Alright, so like I was saying, I am actually going to be doing a lot of looks like this, and the reason for that is because I am trying to appeal to the younger audience, I guess you could say, and the younger groups like cut creases. Alright, so with this same brush, I'm now going to go in with this, hope it's not too dark, but this chocolate brown color right here. And this looks like a reddish brown almost in the pan, but let's see. And this I'm going to go into my crease.
Maybe I'm not sure, so why don't you change my mind? 'Cause baby.
Alright, so then I wipe my brush off, and because I did that with the same brush, I had to wipe it off. And now I'm going back with that transition color just to make sure everything is blended right. And now back with the brown.
I'm not sure, but let's take a chance this time. And
looks kind of, yeah, I don't like it so far. But I know it's going to come together. I think I should have used a different brown, darker brown for the crease, but we're gonna make it do what it do. Alright, so for my brow bone, instead of using my face palette today, I'm actually going to see how it will look with this color right here.
can't remember the last time I saw you.
Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, and I'm going to use this new e.l.f. pencil I got from e.l.f. brush I got from Walmart, and then I'm going to use the e.l.f. and then I'm going to use the e.l.f. Fair Rose concealer to cut the crease.
You cry, I don't wanna do it. I had to, you know it. I hate when we say goodbye. 'Cause I'm coming back around. You know, I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You know, I'll do anything to come and see ya. You know, I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You're always waiting there for me. Your loving's always set me free. Always waiting there for me. Your loving's always set me free.
One of the things I have to do is get better with creating my lines for the cut crease, because on a regular basis I do not do cut creases, and usually with people whose makeup I do, they don't ask for cut creases, so I'm not used to doing cut creases, so I'm learning. It's a learning process.
It's already winter, and I'm starting to forget the smell of your hair, the taste of your lips. I wish I was there instead. And why is it bitter? 'Cause you're hardly in my bed. I'm leaving this place to come see your face. I'm not stopping till I'm dead.
So what you just saw me do just then is I went back with the crease color as well as the transition color to even out those edges of the cut crease. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take new $2 e.l.f. brush, see how this one does, and I'm just going to take this same color I used on my brow bone, and I'm just going to pack this all over my lid.
I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You know, when I'm all alone, I really need ya. You know, I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You're always waiting there for me. Your loving's always set me free. Always waiting there for me. Your loving's always set me free.
Now that I've made sure that color is packed evenly on my lids, I'm going to go back in with the transition color, and I'm just gonna make sure everything is seamless here. I know it's a cut crease, but I'm not trying to make it where it's sharp enough to cut you. Alright, and then I'm gonna go back in with the crease color and just go back around these edges a little bit. Like, okay, I hope I don't mess anything up, but I feel like that little spot where I kind of missed with the concealer is just not popping like the rest, and this is right here.
'Cause I'm coming back around. You know, I'm always coming back around to meet ya.
I needed to have the same momentum as the rest of the eye, and let me blend that in. and just go back with the lid color. Pat it on, but I'm gonna have to blend it in a little bit. Yeah, to make it seamless. And then let's go back with that crease color. And then the transition color.
I'm always coming back around to meet ya.
Bam! Okay, I said that kind of loud. Alright, you guys, so I'm done with the eyes for right now. So now it's time to color correct. And then I am going to go in with my Contemplated State. You guys know how I do. I had to open a new one. Put that here. Here.
You're always waiting there for me. Your love has always set me free. You know, I'm always coming back around to meet you. You know, I'll do anything to come and
for my foundation today, I am using my NARS Soft Matte in the color Huahine. I need to go back and go ahead and order one before the sale goes off, before that 20% sale goes off, because I think I'm going to get done with this before the fall season. I don't know. I may not. And then here is the foundation brush I'm going to use. Now, I always take my foundation brush and I wet it. I either wet it with this Fenty Beauty Makeup Fit Refreshing Spray or this Urban Decay All Nighter. So just kind of put a little bit on there so that it'll help blend my foundation. And I only put like that much foundation. I don't need a lot. I will admit at first I used to be heavy-handed with my foundation, but I've calmed down.
you know, I'm always coming back around to meet ya. You're always waiting there for me. Your love has always set me free.
So my concealer, per usual, Tarte Shape Tape. I'm going to start my 47S just right here. The rest, of course, is going to be the 38N.
Coming for you. 6'4" Balenciaga all black. Stretch
For my bronzer, Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Truffle.
Bugatti and it's sitting on me. Oh, something like that. Got me running like track. Freak like.
Let's see, which cream blush am I using today? All right, so we're going to use this one right here that I'm trying to use that I did not send back. I planned on sending it back to MAC. They do something different with the shipping, and then, you know, with so much spam, I don't know. So they were supposed to send me a shipping label, and they probably did. But I got an email notification about a shipping label from UPS, and I know I hadn't gotten, so I wasn't going to open that, click on the link in that email, because child, baby, I don't trust these people out here in this world today. Take that up a little bit. This is just a Sonia Kashuk brush.
And he's looking at that ass. Think I let him grab it. I'm a pretty young savage out here causing.
I got 2 new tattoos, and baby, when I tell you guys, these things itch like crazy. I don't think I've ever had a tattoo that itches as much as these. Alright, y'all, don't judge me, but I always use my beauty blender twice before I discard it. That's on myself now. Nobody else. I'm not going to use it on someone else, but I'm not going to use one twice from one person to the next. But for myself, I use it twice and then I clean them. So it's 12:46. My goal is to be out of the house by about 1:30.
Betty got that Betty got that. Got me feeling like I wanna wife you, cause I kinda like. Betty got that. Got me feeling like I wanna wife you, cause I kinda like. You got my number.
Then I'm gonna just take the contour brush I contour with. I'm gonna go back on around these edges. Sometimes I do the contour brush, sometimes I do my foundation brush. Today I'm using the contour brush.
So we know where I'm at. 100 on bands, cause I'm sitting on fat like a mouse to my trap. I got the cheese like that. Dripping.
And then always, I go up under my eyes one more time, just to make sure I get out any creasing.
With the sauce you can eat, and he got that gas, and he holding it back. and he's looking at that ass. Think I'd let him grab it.
Because I do have lines under my eyes. I'm sure y'all have seen that. They're not horribly bad, but they are there.
I'm a pretty young savage, out here causing havoc. Betty got that gas, Betty got that gas, Betty got that gas.
Your booty got that feng shui. It looks fun, I wanna come play. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's the weekend, tell me what you want, babe.
Alright, you guys, I'm a bit of a perfectionist, and while I do know my eyes are not exactly shaped the same, I will go back in and back and forth until I get it as perfect as I can.
It's a beautiful situation.
Because doing the wing liner is a task for anybody. Somebody tells you doing the wing liner came really easy for them, they're telling a whole lie. So I need to extend this line out because I just realized, okay, so the left one goes out more than the right one. So I need to make that one even there and then extend this one a little bit more.
No, I don't need no invitation cause I'm already on it. I want it. Fill her up, I wanna pump it. I got that gas.
And he holding them bags, and he's looking at that ass. Think I'd let him grab it. I'm a pretty young savage, out here causing havoc. Betty got that gas, Betty got that gas, Betty got that. Got me feeling like I wanna wife you, cause I kinda like you.
So let's do a little highlight today, not bronzer. I'm using the Fenty Beauty in the color Cognac Candy, that's it. And a bit down the bridge of my nose. I hope these lashes do not interfere with my glasses. I finally went and got me some new glasses. And yeah. So I haven't worn lashes with them yet. So I hope these don't interfere and scrape the lens too much. Now I need to do the lips. Okay, so before we do the lips, I'm just gonna do some swatches because with this Nubian, let me pick this up. With this Nubian Earth palette, I got the whole collection. I wanted the whole collection. Yeah, I did this whole shebang. So, and not only did I do the collection, I did another one of these Let's Melted Off cleansing balms. When I tell y'all, this right here is the tea. All right, you guys, so I really didn't realize how short I was on time, and your girl has to get out of here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll finish the swatches when I get home, but for now I'm going to go ahead and just put on one that I know that I wore the other day.
I feel like I wanna wife you, cause I kinda like you. Yeah.
The lipstick that I wore was Nubian Sand. And then the gloss, Nubian Nude. And that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for coming back to step in and watch another video of mine. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I do hope you'll return for the next one. Make sure you have not subscribed, you go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead, like, comment, and share this video across all your social media sites. Help a girl grow. Anyway, so let me get out of here and get to this baccalaureate. Oh, I got lint in my hair. But let me get out of here and get to this baccalaureate baccalaureate program, and when I come back, baccalaureate program, and when I come back, I'm gonna do these swatches because I didn't get to finish the swatches, so I'm gonna finish them up. I might even start over. I don't know. Let's just see when I get back. So you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.